Hello all, I am Dad from Jetpack Times. Today I have made Avishkar new thing, which is the double drilling machine. Let me show you how this robot works. First, in this board, we need two rectangular plates, nuts and bolts, one 5.5 axle and one the longest axle. Then the full ER series brain, one remote, one long wire. Then we need two motors and two cables. Now let me show you how this robot works. I control which drilling machine port I want to control from this remote. So see, I will move to the longest axle. You can see it is moving. I will show you. See, you can see, right? It's moving. Now this is the other direction. Then in this the axle is very small compared to this, and I have put filters, so that's why from the sides and the edges it's very sharp. Let me show you how this works. You can see, the edges are very sharp. This is how this robot works. I will show you the attachment. So first, in the rectangular plate, I have added a square plate. Then in that, I have added the motor, high-speed motor. Then the biggest axle, which I have till now. Then I added another rectangular plate from here. Then I put a high torque motor and put all these things above it. Then I fixed the brain over here, as you can see. Then I attached the remote, and now it works. So this is how you have to assemble it. I gave a short to that. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye. And please like and subscribe my channel.